Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 7th January. Let's start. In the year of 1714, on this day, Henry Mill of England received a patent for the invention of the typewriter. In the year of 1789, on this day, the American people voted to elect George Washington as the country's first president. In the year of 1890, on this day, William B. Purvis was granted a patent for the invention of the fountain pen. In the year of 1893, on this day, Janki Devi Bajaj, a strong supporter of Gandhian lifestyle, was born. During the nationalist movement of India, she actively participated in the Swadeshi movement. In 1932, she was imprisoned for participating in the civil disobedience movement. In the year of 1927, on this day, the first transatlantic commercial telephone service was started between New York and London. In the year of 1943, on this day, Nikola Tesla, the American Serbian inventor who invented Tesla coils used in radio, TV, electronic equipment, wireless transmission, etc., passed away. Tesla designed the first hydroelectric power plant in Niagara Falls, New York. In the year of 1948, on this day, Indian writer Shobha De was born. She is known as Jackie Collins of India. In the year of 1950, on this day, Shanta Sinha, an Indian anti-child labor activist, was born. In the year of 1967, on this day, Irfan Khan, who revived the characters of the Hindi cinema world, was born. In the year of 1980, on this day, 3 years after the emergency, Indira Gandhi returned to power with an overwhelming majority. In the year of 1985, on this day, Cellnet launched the second UK cellular network. In the year of 1990, on this day, the Leaning Tower of Pisa was closed to visitors for the first time in 800 years. In the year of 2014, on this day, Sheikh Hasina won the general election in Bangladesh. In the year of 2015, on this day, two gunmen attacked the Charlie Hebdo magazine office in Paris, killing 12 people and injuring 11 others. In the year of 2019, on this day, Amazon overtakes the Microsoft as the world's most valuable listed company for the first time with a cost of $797 billion. In the year of 2019, on this day, India won the Test Series 2-1 after the last 2 days of the fourth cricket test in Sydney were wasted in rain. Australia became the first Asian team to win a Test Series in 1947 to 48, 71 years after the first Indian touring team. In the year of 2021, on this day, PM Narendra Modi inaugurated the 306-kilometer New Rewari to New Madar section under the Western Dedicated Freight Corridor. In the year of 2021, on this day, Claire Poloshack of Australia became the first woman to officiate in a men's test match. She entered the field as the fourth umpire during the match between India and Australia in Sydney. In the year of 2021, on this day, anti-terrorism court in Pakistan issued arrest warrant against Jaish-e-Mohammed chief Masood Azhar. The warrant was issued on the allegation of terror funding. In the year of 2021, on this day, Indian American Dr. Raj Iyer takes over as the first Chief Information Officer of the US Army after the Pentagon created the post of Chief Information Officer in July 2020. In the year of 2021, on this day, Justice Hima Kohli, the senior most judge of the Delhi High Court, is appointed as the new Chief Justice of the Telangana High Court. She is the first woman to take oath as the Chief Justice of Telangana High Court. In the year of 2021, on this day, Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia was appointed as the Chief Justice of the Guwahati High Court according to the Ministry of Law and Justice. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.